A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Heard melodies are sweet, to those unheard are sweeter. I am certain of nothing but the holiness of the hearts and the truth of imagination. Poetry should be great and unobtrusive, a thing which enters into one's soul and does not startle it or amaze it with itself, but with its subject. Do not all charms fly at the mere touch of cold philosophy? I am in that temper that if I were under water, I would scarcely kick to come to the top. Scenery is fine, but human nature is finer. I almost wish we were butterflies and lived but 3 summer days. 3 such days with you I could fill, with more delight than 50 common years could ever contain. Love is my religion. I could die for it. I have been astonished that men could die martyrs for their religion. I shudder at it.